Well, that was exciting, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Let's start it.
All right, let's do our last box of the day. It's, two things here. There are two things.
We have the two things here.
All right, they both say Adelica on the front. These are the Adelica Blooming Eyeshadow and Adelica Blooming Lip Rouge editions. So let's look at the eyeshadows first.
Eyeshadows first, why not?
Okay, why don't you do the honors?
Okay, I will open it.
Whoa!
Oh.
It's so shiny. Well, it's definitely beautiful to see them on the palette.
Yeah.
But I think we need to swatch them. We need to see what they look like on the skin.
Yeah, why not? Let's try it. Can I try it in my hands to show the...
Yeah, let's put them on.
Yeah.
We've taken the 9 eyeshadows from the Blooming Eyeshadow Edition, and they are now on 𝐂𝐿k𝐲's arm.
Yeah, as you can see here, we have the 9 shades of the colors here. And do you know what is difficult for the girls?
I do not know what is difficult for the girls.
To find the shadow palette that they like, because mostly we will find the shadow palettes, but we have so many colors there, but we will like 2 or 3 of the colors there, and we don't even touch the rest. So, but as you can see here, we will have the very, very, very beautiful colors here, and all of them are useful. So, and the colors are so essential, as you can see.
Yes, there's a lot of pigment in them. They're not light at all. They have a very a thickness and a deepness to the color.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the glittery ones have a ton of glittery shine to them.
Yeah, I love it.
And I hear that with makeup like this, sometimes it can fall off. Like it doesn't attach to the skin well. How is it attaching to you now?
But as I feel it now, there is no fallout, and it's really sticking my skin. So I think it's very nice. Can I have this one?
I don't know, you'll have to ask. Can she take it home? Okay, great.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Okay, so
let's try this.
all right, we're putting makeup on my arm.
Why not?
So this is S01 Dewy Coral that we're putting on.
3 or 4 layers here.
Okay, so this is Dewy Caramel.
Beautiful color. It's like kind of orange tone.
Yeah.
Orange and pink tone. It's like between them.
Very nice.
I like the colors.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2, what is the name?
It is called Sweet Pink.
Sweet pink.
So if you will also do the
Actually,
honors.
I love pink.
You love pink?
Yeah.
Pull it up so we can see the color. Oh wow, yeah, that is very pink, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pink. It's my favorite thing, actually.
Oh really?
Yeah, I like it. And we go for the third one. What is the name of the third one?
The third one is Raspberry.
Raspberry. Okay, interesting. Raspberry.
Oh wow, that is bright. Yeah, I think whenever you see it on the stick, it looks very red, but you put it on it, it's kind of got a purpley tint to it. It's really fuchsia looking, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. So to go over it again, this is Dewy Coral S01. This is Sweet Pink S02. And this is Raspberry S03.
I think all 3 colors is really, really, really good on you.
I think so too. I think all of these look good on me.
Yeah, but I think my favorite is the raspberry, the third one.
This one?
Yeah, the third one. I want to try it.
You want to try it?
Yeah, I want to try it. Can I try it?
Yeah, put it on.
Wow, let's go. How is it like?
Oh wow, it looks really good.
Really?
That color really brings out your face.
I like the color, actually.
That is the power of lipstick, right?
Yeah, actually, as you can see here, depending on how many layers you put it on, you can make it subtle or you can make it instant makeup here. And the feeling is like sheer texture, as you can see here.
Yeah, as you can see, the 3 very different pink colors I have on my arm, it's very moist. It feels like lip balm.
Yeah, the texture is like lip balm is spreading very easily.
Yes.
Well, actually, the Adelica Blooming Lip Gloss contains only vegetable oil. It's full of vitamins, so add more moisture into your lips and energy.
Oh, wow. So not even just beauty, not just looks, but also nutrition and health for your lips.
I know,
Really?
right? Just like a lip balm.
Wow.
It's amazing.